Guys, we've seen, talk a little bit about, Jesus, talk a little bit about some of the bearish activity that we've seen, some of the bigger bearish bets that we've seen. I know we saw a crap ton on the Qs today and pretty far out as well. What else are we seeing here on the bear side where people are just leading it down?
Yes, I mean, we've been seeing a pattern of this for now a couple of weeks where all the size has been put side or in the puts,
Yep,
but in further outdated strikes. Today, late today, we saw more of those June puts in the
yep,
QQQ, June 85 puts, if you
June
want to
8th.
pull that up.
Yep, yep, yep.
And was it yesterday, the day before, we saw those hit up again? And if you guys remember, we started seeing this. Actually, I think it might have been December. A couple guys in the chat might know better than I. An IWM in the small cap
Yep.
ETF, but now we're starting to see it all over the place. And the Qs have been one spot where they're heading up June's.
Let's see if we can get this. Yep,
Yeah, and
here's June's. Oh, wow. Yeah. Crap load of these here, 85s here. I mean, if you take a look at the Qs right now at where they are, like if you look at this over 3 months or 6 months, like that's a whole, like Qs at 85, guys, that means Amazon is is not done. You know what I mean? Like that means Amazon is not done. That means Apple is not done. That means Facebook is not done. So anybody who's trading these large caps and sitting there hoping or waiting for, a bounce to go ahead and hit a bounce that's going to last for more than, let's say, a couple of days, that's a difficult bone to chew. Right, it's a very difficult bone to chew. So I would more suggest when you do get these rallies, just be cognizant that eventually they're going to turn, be able to book some of those profits, and then sell some of those calls. Sell some of those calls. And I know we had a lot of questions about why I went, short puts on, let's say, Amazon. The only reason why I'm not down, let's say, 40 grand today was because of these short puts. And even though the market was super weak, Amazon was super weak, take a look at these, short puts that I had way out of the money. This was around 450. Now, granted, it's Tuesday, but, we had this ridiculous ramp here, but look at what happened. Like once these things turn, and once these things show that they can't get to this particular strike and it's that far out of the money and you're in a weekly, these premiums come off so fast. So Amazon didn't even, it didn't move that much. I would say, 5 points maybe. And for the 5 points, you're talking about 50, 60, 70% premium discount on some of these put options. And it all just, again, depends on, where you're entering. You want to enter in on some of the volatility spikes where, again, everybody's kind of panicking, everybody's paying up for these options. That's where you want to sell. And it's counterintuitive because, Jesus, just like you've seen, a lot of traders kind of go through this, is that whenever it looks hot, that's where everybody wants to buy it.